In this video, we are going to upload our Hello World application to the Cloud Mulesoft Cloudhub. So first, we are going to stop this application. Then we'll go and here, if you go any point platform, and I want to deploy to Cloudhub. So there will be some screen. It's loading, so it's asking me to sign into my Anypoint platform. So I'm just going and writing my credentials. And I'm able to log in here. So it's taking a bit time, and so it will ask us about environment. So for now, we'll choose sandbox. If you have any other environment in your server, so you are going to select that. But we have sandbox. Click on this. Because as a trial account, we can just use sandbox, and it's saying that that we should change our name. So I'm going to go ahead and change name Hello World Dash Monas, and you can change it to yours is here. You cannot change worker because it's a trial account, but you can set the V codes like it's about some processing. We'll discuss those things in any other video. We'll just click deploy application. It will take some time and the application will get deployed. So it may take some time, and so it says this application is deployed. So I'm going and closing this window. So I'm going to my Anypoint platform. So here's my Anypoint platform. I'm going go ahead and um, in Anypoint platform, go to Runtime Manager. Here's Runtime Manager. When you click this Runtime Manager, you want to see your application deployed here. It says started, and it's saying the URL for your API. I'm going to copy this. First, our application was deployed on local, but now it's deployed on cloud, so we can just check and see. So I'm making a call to this API and see what do we get from here. Actually, I should make this request on Postman. So I'm copying this thing and going to the Postman and making the request again and send. Yeah, so it says hello from Mona's side. So it worked. So this way you can deploy your application to cloud.